Don't overthink things, babe.
Hello lovelies, you're welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. You guys, have missed you guys, and I'm currently on my way to get my skincare products at 𝑦𝑒 store, so come along with me. I hope you enjoy the vlog. Subscribe if you've not subscribed, turn on your post notification, and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next scene. Enjoy. Are they not around? Hello? Okay, then somebody inside. Hello, good morning. Okay. You guys, have missed you all, and a lot has happened in the past 2-3 weeks. A whole lot has happened, as in I'm going to be unraveling it in the course of this vlog. So my phone screen spoiled yesterday or day before yesterday, so I had to change it today, and I went to Garrison, and from there I went to 𝑦𝑒 store to get my skincare. So I've not been uploading content for some days now because I've been just busy planning and other stuff. My younger sister is getting married, and I'm going to Lagos. You guys, I'm going to Lagos to attend my sister's marriage. So in the course of this video, I'm going to do that wedding vlog like a series. It might be 1, 2, 3 parts, so enjoy that as it comes. So I got skincare products for my face. No, we're trying to work on something, so I'm trying to clear my dark spots, so I had to buy something that can do that for me. So I'm going to unbox some of the skincare products I got. So I got this toner. This one is it 𝑖𝑣ID mist toner. I got it because it's niacinamide, reduces the appearance of dull and uneven tone. So I got this, and this is 9,500. I got it for 9,500 at 𝑦𝑒 store. This is the pack it came with. I don't know if you guys can see it. So I got this for 9,500. So this is what it looks like. It's niacinamide to clear my spots. And I also got pimple patch. Currently I have one pimple here that is trying to pop, so I'm going to put a patch on this. So I have this pimple patch by COSRX, acne pimple master patch. I got this for 5,000, and I got my body oil, 𝑦𝑒 aloe vera body oil gel, and this is 6,000 naira. So this is what I got. And I got some books. I got a Bible. For some weeks now that I started reading my Bible constantly. I like reading New Living Translation, which is the NLT Bible. So I had to get a copy of the NLT Bible for myself. I don't like King James. It's not easy for me to understand. But if you see, they wrote this one easy to understand. That's why I bought it. So I got this book. We're trying to go back to reading this year. So I got this, The Subtle Act of Not Giving an F. I got it. And I got a power bank. This one is 20,000 milliamp power bank. Since I'm traveling, I need something to power my phone on the road. So I got this power bank. It's currently charging. So that's all I did today, being Saturday, and you just enjoy the vlog as it comes. So yesterday I went shopping. I went grocery shopping. I was not able to video that because it was just very chaotic all over the place. So guys, I went out yesterday and I decided to get some more skincare products for myself. So today is Tuesday and I've gone out. So I got some more skincare product for myself. I got this stellene salicylic acid, stellene tea tree oil salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is basically good for shrinking face pores and for reducing acne. It calms down the acne and blemishes with the power of the tea tree oil that fights acne causing bacteria. So I got this one, and I got this goji berry facial cream. This one is with hyaluronic acid and a retinol with organic botanical. So I got this. This is a face cream, but I'm going to be applying it mostly at night because it has retinol in it. And retinol is basically supposed to be used in the night. So this cream I'm going to be applying it only at night. And this salicylic acid, I'm going to be applying it 3 times a week because too much of this is not really good for the face. So I'm going to be applying it 3 times a week, and then this one in the night. So my niacin toner, I can apply that every other day. So that is the skincare I got here when I went out yesterday. So, and I also got some wool, nylon wool for the new business I'm starting. I don't want to tell anybody now. I'm just still working on that, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it comes out very nice. So like I told you guys, my sister is getting married in Lagos, so I'm traveling to Lagos. I'm going to be vlogging that throughout the journey with my phone because my camera is still bad, obviously. So just come along with me. I'm going to be doing something. I got extensions as well. And I'm really going all out with extension this year because it's been long I made black and I don't want to make black anymore. I want to experiment with different colors and see the one that works for me more, that fits me more. So I got color 27 this time around. Usually I buy color 30, but I got color 27 this time around, and I'm going to be using that to make my hair sometime next week. So I'm going to see how that goes while I prepare for my trip to Lagos. So stay tuned, go nowhere, subscribe, leave me a constructive comment. I'll see you in the next one. That's not a picture, Prosper. Talking too much. Prosper, come and sit down. Fast.